In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to pay for Ticketmaster tickets using Klarna. If you want a more flexible way to buy your event tickets, Klarna can be a convenient payment option at checkout. The process is straightforward, and in this walkthrough, I'll guide you through it clearly so you know exactly what to expect from start to finish. First, go to Ticketmaster and select the event tickets you want to purchase. Take a moment to review the date, time, venue, and ticket quantity before moving forward. This is important because once you head to checkout, you'll want to make sure everything in your order looks correct. When you're ready, continue to the checkout page. At checkout, look through the available payment methods and choose Klarna. If Klarna is available for your purchase, it should appear as one of the payment options during this stage. Selecting it tells Ticketmaster that you want to use Klarna to complete the transaction instead of paying with another standard payment method directly. After that, you'll be asked to select your preferred Klarna payment plan. The options may vary depending on your country and what is available for that specific purchase. For example, you may see choices such as pay in 4 or pay in 30 days. Read the plan details carefully so you understand how and when your payments will be made. This is a good time to check the terms shown on screen and confirm that the option you choose works best for your budget and timeline. Once you've selected your plan, the next step is to sign in to Klarna. This connects your purchase to your Klarna account so the payment can be processed correctly. Follow the prompts on screen, review the purchase details, and confirm the payment to finalize your order. Make sure everything is accurate before submitting, especially your ticket selection and the payment plan you chose. After confirmation, your purchase should be completed and you'll receive the usual order confirmation from Ticketmaster. It's a good idea to save that confirmation and check your Klarna account afterward so you can keep track of upcoming payments or due dates depending on the plan you selected. That's all it takes to pay for Ticketmaster tickets using Klarna. As long as Klarna is offered at checkout, the process is